In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit opening hours on Fresha, a task that might seem daunting at first, but is actually quite simple once you know where to look and what steps to follow. Whether you're a business owner, adjusting to new operating hours, or simply need to update your schedule for the holidays, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that your clients always have the most current information about your availability. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Fresha website specifically designed for business users. Simply type in or click on the link to https://www.fresha.com/for-business and you'll be directed right to the doorstep of every feature you need to manage your business on Fresha. This includes everything from your booking options to client management and, importantly, your opening hours. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, your next step is to log into your account. You'll see the login option prominently displayed, so click on that to proceed. At this point, you'll need to affirm that you're logging in for business purposes, so make sure to click on the For Business option. It's a small but crucial step to ensure you're accessing the right features for managing your business profile on Fresha. If you've linked your Google account for easier sign-in, the next step is incredibly straightforward. Simply click on Sign In using Google. This is a real time saver, and it helps to minimize the number of passwords you need to remember. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you've used to set up your Fresha business account. This should streamline the sign-in process, taking you directly into your Fresha dashboard. Now that you're signed in, it's time to focus on updating your opening hours. Look for and navigate to the online booking section of your dashboard. Here you'll find all the tools you need to manage how and when clients can book appointments with you. Next, click on the Marketplace profile within the online booking section. This area of the dashboard is crucial as it's what your clients see when looking for services you offer. It's the face of your business on Fresha, so keeping it accurate and up to date is key. In the Marketplace profile, locate and click on Options. This drop-down menu is your gateway to further customizing your business profile, including those all-important opening hours. Choose Edit Profile from the options presented. This is where you can update various aspects of your profile, not just your operating times. However, for today our focus remains on the hours of operation. Select Continue to proceed with editing your profile. You might have to navigate through a couple of screens depending on what information you've previously set up or need to update. It's straightforward and user-friendly, designed to ensure you don't skip any essential details about your business. Keep clicking Continue until you reach the section labelled Add Your Opening Hours. This is where you'll make the actual changes to when your business is open or closed. To adjust your schedule, you'll find the interface intuitive. Change the times as needed for each day of the week, whether you're extending your hours, shortening them, or simply adjusting them for a special event is all done here. After making your adjustments, the final and most important step is to save your changes. Look for the Save and Exit button. This ensures all the updates you've made to your opening hours are applied and visible to your clients across the Fresha platform. And that's essentially it. You've successfully navigated the Fresha platform to update your business's opening hours. It's a simple process that ensures your clients are always in the know about when they can book appointments with you, helping to prevent any confusion and missed appointments. Remember, keeping your business information up to date on Fresha not only helps in managing client expectations, but also plays a significant role in how your business is perceived online. Regular updates and accurate information contribute to a professional image and can significantly enhance client trust and satisfaction. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're setting up your hours for the first time or making adjustments to adapt to new circumstances, it's important to remember that these changes go a long way in managing your business smoothly and keeping your clients happy.